Check out the Subaru 2016 Legacy 2.5i. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system, radio, Subaru Starlink 7.0 multimedia plus system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.